Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relay, guys, for the rear window defroster is located, because your rear window defroster doesn't work. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Where to buy cheap fuses and relays from so you save money, guys. And number 3, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be shared for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So where is the rear window defroster relay? We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood, known as the engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. So if you come right behind your car battery, you have that fuse box cover here. You open that fuse box, guys, and you will see a layout that will look just like this one. And these, guys, will be the front of your F-150 truck. This will, guys, be towards the windshield side of your F-150. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, if you guys pay attention, you're going to notice that you have all kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find or overpriced at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a really good price and quick shipping as well. We will need to come in that relay panel right here, and the one for the rear window defroster, guys, is the one on the left side, the very top one. That relay right here is for the rear window defroster that you will need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.